Good morning, Orchard Hollow Huskies. This is Mrs. Harris with your morning announcements. Today is Tuesday, January 5th, 2021. Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Hello, this is Louie Ileana with your best pledge. To be my best at Orchard Hollow, I will be aware of my mind and motions, do excellent work, stick up for others when needed, treat others as they should treat me. I will reach higher to be my best self at Orchard Hollow.
There are no birthdays today at Orchard Hollow. And now for our joke of the day. What is a snowman's favorite food? Burritos. Just a reminder that we are on our fully remote schedule today. We begin the day promptly at 8:45 with morning meeting and goal setting. Our instructional day will end at 2 p.m. Make it a great day, Huskies!